What would making $100 weekly do for you? Let me guess. You will be able to pay your bills without any worries. You will be able to buy your dream smartphone. You will be able to save up and travel abroad. You will be able to buy your dream car in 1 year and lots more. Unfortunately, you don't know what to do to make $100 weekly right now. But don't worry, that's why you are seeing this post right now. I'm organizing a $100 weekly mentorship class this week. I'll be teaching you how to make $100 weekly by just selling other people's products using your smartphone. If you are a student, graduate, youth corper, or employee, and you have a smartphone and you are interested in this training, send a DM with the code MentorMe to the WhatsApp number below now. 070-8860-6650. See you in my DM.